Welcome back, everyone. Today, let's dive into a crucial aspect of the plating industry, pretreatment. Whether you're coating metal for aesthetics or functionality, proper pretreatment sets the stage for a flawless finish. So what exactly is pretreatment? Pretreatment involves preparing the metal surface before plating. This entails cleaning off any contaminants like grease, dirt, or oxides. The most common method is an alkaline soap cleaner followed by an anodic electrocleaner. Next comes surface conditioning, which micro-etches or roughens it to enhance adhesion. This process is commonly known as acid pickling. After that, the substrate will be suitable for electroplating. But why is pretreatment so important? Well, think of it as a foundation of a building. Without a solid base, the structure won't stand. So in simple terms, without proper pretreatment, the plated layer may not adhere well, leading to issues like peeling or blistering. Pretreatment is a critical step in the plating process, ensuring durability and quality in the final product. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of plating. Thanks for watching.
Pavco, it's how you finish.